Morning Stingrays! Today is, boom, Wednesday, September 9th. And yes, I know I'm still wearing the same outfit from yesterday because I recorded this yesterday. Okay, that's when I'm trying to record them. I'm trying to record them the day before so I could, put some of that editing magic on there. Make it pop, like maybe fire. Today's lesson is all about adding integers. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, adding integers. Now, what are integers? Integers are any whole number, both positive and negative, but it has to be a whole number. So adding integers. So you've always kind of known adding integers since like way back when, I think first, maybe even kindergarten, they start teaching you that stuff. So let's look at our first problem, first example. Okay, right here. I'm really hoping you can see this. I know it's not going to be visible on a small box, but bigger is better. 7 plus 5, that's a problem you've known for years. That's a problem you've seen for years, but you never understood that you were adding integers, okay? Because it's any positive or negative number. 7 plus 5, we should all know that by now. 7 plus 5 is 12. Thank you. Good job. Thank you for that answer. Thank you, okay? Raise your hand next time, okay? Simple. What we've always known. We've always known adding two numbers, okay? Adding two numbers according to our my little championship bell here, according to our number line, which I'm trying to use now, okay? An understanding of being at 5 and then going up 7 more gets us to 12. Instead of the right and the left, okay? I want to start working the up and the down. I want you to understand that when you add numbers, you're going up, okay? So let's look at our next problem. Boom. I got a poorly written -6, okay? Poorly written -6 plus 3. So, adding goes up. Doesn't change. Adding goes up. Okay? I want to be careful on that because the next problem is going to be a little different. Okay? So, adding goes up. So, where am I starting from? Where's my starting point? -6. Okay? So, -6. I got to find on this number line. Where is -6? Oh my God. I'm down in the basement. I'm below Mr. Nugent's car. Yes. Okay? You are at -6. Now you're adding, okay? -6 plus, what was it? 3, okay? -6 plus 3. I'm adding, so go up. I'm at -6. Now you might think I have to be -9 because 3 plus 6 is 9. No, remember, that's if we were dealing on a left and a right. And that's why I'm trying to change the way you see the number line, okay? Left and the right, you may say 3 and 6 is 9. But no, okay? You're at -6. -6 and add 3. So go up 3. 1, 2, 3. So -6 plus 3 is -3. Okay? -6, go up 3. I'm at -3. Okay? That's our second problem. Second example. Third example, the hard one. Hard one. Okay? Now, this one is difficult, so please pay attention, okay? This is me staring you in the camera saying, pay attention. Important moment. That's my championship level. Problem number 3. 9 plus -4. You're always going to see it. If it's a negative, if it's adding a negative, they're going to put parentheses around the negative to help understand, okay? So you have 9 plus -4. 9 plus -4. Where's my starting point? Okay, my starting point on my championship belt here, on my line, is 9. Okay, we understand. I'm starting at 9. Now, here's the weird part, so pay attention. I'm adding, go this way. I'm adding a negative number. That's where it gets confusing. That's where people get lost. But think of it this way. You're adding a loss. Okay, you're adding a loss. You have $900, and then you're adding a loss of $400. A bill came in. Okay, you thought you had $900. Bill comes in. All right, I got to add that loss, or subtract, if you want to think of it that way. Add that loss to my bank account. So I started at 9. Now add goes up. Mr. News, you said add goes up. Add a loss. Add a loss. If you're losing, your score goes down. Okay? If you're losing, your bank account goes down. Okay? If you're losing, points go down. So I'm at 9. I'm adding a loss of 4. So 1, add a loss. Loss means I go down. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 9, adding then a loss of 4 gets me to 5. Okay, because I started at 9, had to add a loss of 4 to get to 5. One last example, and I'll actually do it right here. I'll switch these up, and I'll actually show how it doesn't change the look. Okay? -7 plus a loss of 5. Now you may think 7 plus 5 was 12. Oh, so 7 plus 5 was 12. -7 plus -5. Well, let's see what that might be. So, -7. My starting point is upside down. My starting point, right there, conveniently, -7. My starting point is -7. So now I'm adding a loss. So when you add a loss, you go down, okay? You add a loss, your bank account goes down. You add a loss, your guy gets killed in the video game, your health goes down. So adding a loss, I go down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay? Similar answer. Opposite end, opposite number, similar answer. So -7 plus -5, -12. Okay? If you were here, I could throw out a bunch of other stuff, make it more confusing, but this video is probably long enough as is. Yesterday was crazy. Thank you for being patient. Thank you for being there. Today's addition, tomorrow is subtraction. There's one thing I got to show you. It has to do with my fists, and they do a magic trick. Okay? But for right now, deuce.